as you can see, my left blinker, no working in front. So I'm gonna show you guys how to change it. What I'm gonna do is get a flashlight. So here's an easy way to tell. So if I turn my right blinker on, kind of hear the like a steady click, but if I turn my left one on, it's a lot faster. So back in here, see if I can show you that it's kind of hard to see, but the little knob back there, see if I can focus in on that. The little knob there is my blinker, and I can't reach that with my hand, but luckily in this car there is a passage to it. So all you need is like the little puller thing and a small screwdriver. So let's see if I can get to this without blocking the camera view. There we go. Kind of pull this out, and then up inside here, I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, I can use it. There you go.
There we go. There we go. It's a little bulb there. Oh, there we go.
Keep coming. Up. Up.
Up.
Yep. And like toward me. Up. Up and toward me. No, no. It's too high. Over. Right. Now go forward. Right there.
That's
yeah.
it?
Yep. And push it in. There you go.
Not in all the way.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right. Then we're just gonna pull all this stuff back. Put that in there. Easy peasy. There we go. My light go blinky again.